Hello, students. Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. In this video, we will take Unit 3, the February Revolution in Petrograd. In previous video, we talked about the Russian Revolution, the Russian Empire, Europe, Europe condition, economy and society, socialism in Russia. Then we talked about the turbulent time, and then the first world war, and the Russian Empire. Now we see in this video Unit 3. In the winter of 1917, conditions in the capital Petrograd were grim. The condition of that was Petrograd city was very serious. The layout of the city seemed to emphasize the divisions among its people. The layout of the city seems to emphasizing in the divisions among its people, means peoples were divided on the basis of their ideology, on the basis of the profession, into different group. The workers' quarters and factories were located on the right bank of the river Neva. The workers' quarters as well as factories, they were situated in the right side of the river Neva. On the left bank were the fashionable areas. This is the what we call the influential people or rich people lives on the left side of the river Neva. The Winter Palace were also situated in that side, and official buildings, including the palace where the Duma met. The official parliament of Russia was also situated on the left bank of river Neva. In February 1917, food shortages were deeply felt in the workers' quarter, means right side of the river there was a shortage of food. The winter was very cold. There had been exceptional frost and heavy snow. There was a heavy cold, and there was a frost also, and snow was heavy compared to the previous years. Parliamentarians wishing to preserve elected government. Parliamentary were the people who were elected for the Duma. They were in the favor of to select the elect the government or preserve their government, were opposed to the Tsar desire to dissolve the Duma. But the king of Russia, Tsar, he was in the favor of to dissolve the Duma. He was in the favor of not continue the previous government or the Duma, people's representative in the parliament. On 22nd February, a lockout took place at a factory on the right bank, means the workers or the factory places there was a lockout. The next day, workers in the 50 factories called a strike in sympathy, and next day people also joined, and there was a 50 factories that were on strike. In many factories, women led the way to strikes. Many factories, women were leading the group, and they called for strikes. This came to be called the International Women's Day, and that day is called International Women's Day. Demonstrating workers crossed from the factory quarters to the center of the capital. They were demonstrating, and they crossed from the factory's quarter to the center of the capital, the Nevsky Prospect. They led the demonstration up to the capital, that is called Nevsky Prospect. At this stage, no political party was actively organizing the movement, and that was a place where the political parties were not allowed. As the fashionable quarters and officials buildings were surrounded by workers, as they reached there, The fashionable quarters and official buildings were surrounded by the workers. People were gathered there. The government imposed a curfew. As the people reached there, the government applied the demonstrators dispersed by the evening, but they came back on 24th and 25th February, and on 24th and 25th they returned back on the same place where government did not allow them. The government called out the cavalry. At that time the government called the cavalry. Cavalry means force on horse, and the police to keep an eye on them, and there was a huge deployment of police to look those peoples who were gathered at that place. On Sunday 25th February the government suspended the Duma. On that, because of this 2 days 24th 25th there was a protest going on. On 25th the government was suspended the Duma. Duma means people elected by the people. They were suspended. Politicians spoke out against the measures, and political peoples were against this decision. Demonstrators returned in force to the street. Demonstrators were returned in force to the street of the left bank on 26th. On 26th they reached there. On 27th the police headquarters were ransacked. At that time they destroyed the police headquarters. The streets thronged with people, and there was a huge amount of people, workers on the factories, raising slogans, and they were saying about bread. They were demanding about bread, wages, better hours, and democracy. What they demanded? 4 demands were there. Bread means food, wages means salary, better hours means working hours should be 8 hours to 10 hours, and there should be democracy in the country. The government tried to control the situation and called out the cavalry once again. To control these people, the huge people on road, the government again called the cavalries. Cavalries, I told you, the soldier or police persons on horse. However, the cavalry refused to fire on the demonstrators, but the cavalry did not fire the common people, and they refused the order. An officer was shot at the barracks. An officer was shot at the barracks of a regiment. One officer was killed, and 3 other regiments mutinied. They opposed or against the decision of the government, voting to join the striking workers, and they were in the favor of the workers, and they joined the striking group of the people. By that evening, soldiers and striking workers had gathered to form a Soviet, and the people were together. They gathered and they formed the one group that is called Soviet or Council in the same building as the Duma met. Where the Duma met, the people they gathered, the workers were gathered with some peoples from the police, and they made the Soviet, or that is called Council group. This was the Petrograd Soviet, and this is declared later Petrograd Soviet. The very next day, a delegation went to see the Tsar. People went to see the Tsar, king. Military commanders advised him to abdicate, to go, to remove the place. He followed their advice, and he ready to accept their advices of their commanders, and he followed their advice and abdicated on 2nd March. So on 2nd March, the King Tsar left the place. Soviet leaders and Duma leaders formed a provincial government to run the country. As the king left his throne, Soviet leaders and Duma leaders, they both formed a provincial government, the local government, to run the country. Russia's future would be decided by a constituent assembly. Later on, there was a constituent assembly elected on the basis of universal adult suffrage, and that constituent assembly was elected on the basis of universal adult franchise, means on the basis of voting, adult voting system. Petrograd had led the February Revolution that brought down the monarchy, and this Petrograd in the February, what happened we read in the previous paragraphs, and that was brought down the monarchy, and that because of that the king abdicated on 2nd March, and there was an end of monarchy in February 1917. So Petrograd was the first place where the people opposed the kingship, monarchy, and that was called French Revolution. In next video we will talk about after February. Thank you.